Hi, I'm Sherry from Crandall Office, and today we're going to show you how to replace the underlays on a Think, Amia, and Leap V2 chair. So our new underlays are tooled in the US, and the reason you'd be replacing them is there's a pinch point. If it's missing, you can have a pinch point for your fingers, or if it's sloppy, or they're broken. So the tools needed for this repair is going to be a drill, a T20 bit, and then the set of underlays that are purchased from crandalloffice.com. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the arm pad. There are 4 screws underneath. They're very small, so you want to make sure that you do not lose them. So I like to put the screws inside the handle, inside the arm pad, and lay it down. Next, you're going to remove these 2 screws. You want to make sure that you're careful because you want to leave all of the parts in here when you pull it off. You just set that aside as well. We're going to remove the underlay. It's got a snap on it. Next, we're going to remove these 2 screws. Underneath here are going to be a wave washer and a plastic washer. So again, we're going to leave all of the parts together. You're going to remove the last piece of the underlay. Okay, now that we have it all disassembled, now we're going to put the new underlays back in. So the first one is going to be your plate. Put that in first. And then these parts, we held them all together. You want to make sure that you've got your white washer and then your wave washer. And the same thing for the other side. That you've got your white washer and your wave washer. Now these can be a little tricky when you're trying to screw them back in. So you're going to want to hold it and make sure that your wave washer and your regular washer stay right in place. Just like that. Do the same thing with this side. Like that. You're going to put your underlay cap on. That's going to snap right into place. You want to make sure that you've got this going the right way. The teeth go away from you. This part has a lot of parts in it. So you want to make sure that you've got your white washer, your wave washers, your silver washer, and then your screw. So once you have that all tightened, you're going to put your arm pad back on. Your 4 little screws. Now you don't want to over tighten these because you don't want to strip that out. And there you go. Your new underlay, no pinch points, and it's working 100% like it's supposed to. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on Facebook. Thank you. Hi, my name is Sherry. I'm from... Thank you so much for watching. If you... Try it again. It's so hard. Stop. The tools needed are going to be a drill and a T20 bit. That's it, right? Ooh, I should do this one. It's so hard. I know, I'm sorry. Me being right here is probably super helpful too. Do you hate this? I hate it. So the tools needed are going to be a drill, a T20 bit, and then the parts that You'll be able to edit this out, right?
Yeah, 100%.